Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create Spotify account. So for this you will have to just download the Spotify app on this Android device and just click to open it. So black is for privacy. So you will just continue with your Google account. So I will create it my new Spotify account. Just one click to select Google. So my account will be created. You will see. Now I will play some musics. Basically it's Spotify, it's offline and online music app. You can also add a playlist folder to your favorite songs. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.